Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَلَقَدِ اسْتُهْزِئَ بِرُسُلٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَحَاقَ بِالَّذِينَ سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون. Translation: And messengers were indeed ridiculed before you, but those who mocked them were folded in by the very things that they mocked at. In the previous ayahs, those Quraysh Makkah who were asking for signs to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were given the answer, and in these ayahs Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is consoling Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that these people who are ridiculing you are not doing anything new. The prophets before you were treated similarly, and these peoples were given severe punishment, and these people will also be punished as the previous nations. For example, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam was given an order by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make a boat, and he started to make the boat on the land without any water, and the people started to ridicule him, but he continued to follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and in the end those people who were ridiculing him were all drowned. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قُلْ سِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ ثُمَّ انظُرُوا كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ. Translation: Say, travel on the earth and see what was the end of those who denied the truth. The people of Quraysh used to travel and used to go to Syria or Sham, and when they used to go over there, they used to see the ruins of the previous nations of Thamud, and also they saw the cities of Qawm Lut, and they could feel that they rejected the prophets and they were destroyed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Although polytheists of Makkah did not see any prophet before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they witnessed the ruins of the previous nations, and when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was telling them about these nations and what happened to them, if they pondered, they could understand that they will have a similar end if they deny Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One important thing to understand here, that there are two attitudes of the disbelievers mentioned in these two ayah. One is the takzeeb, which is simple denying and not accepting the message of a prophet, but a bigger sin is the istihza, which is not only denying but also ridiculing the prophet, and those peoples committing a bigger sin and get bigger punishment. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us not to be among those unfortunate people who denied or ridiculed the messages of prophets. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.